What is Selenium Grid? What is Selenium Grid? A grid consists of a single hub and one or more nodes. Both are started using the Selenium server.jar executable. Selenium Grid allows you to run tests on different machines, against different browsers in parallel. That is, running multiple tests at the same time against different machines running different browsers and operating systems. Essentially, Selenium Grid supports distributed test execution. It allows for running tests in a distributed test execution environment. What is Selenium Grid? Selenium Grid is used to speed up the execution of a test path by using multiple machines to run tests in parallel. For example, if you have a suite of 100 tests, but you set up Selenium Grid to support 4 different machines, VMs, or separate physical machines to run those tests, your test suite will complete in roughly 1/4 the time, as it would if you ran your tests sequentially on a single machine. For large test suites, and long-running test suite, such as those performing large amounts of data validation, this can be a significant time saver. Some test suites can take hours to run. Another reason to boost the time spent running the suite is to shorten the turnaround time for test results, after developers checking code for the audit. What is Selenium Grid? Selenium Grid is also used to support running tests against multiple runtime environments, specifically, against different browsers at the same time. For example, a grid of virtual machines can be set up with each supporting a different browser that the application to be tested must support. So, Machine 1 has Internet Explorer 8, Machine 2, Internet Explorer 9, Machine 3 the latest Chrome, and Machine 4 the latest Firefox. When the test suite is run, Selenium Grid receives each test browser combination and assigns each test to run against its required browser. In addition, one can have a grid of all the same browser type and version. For instance, one could have a grid of 4 machines, each running 3 instances of Firefox 12, allowing for a server farm of available Firefox instances. When the suite runs, each test is passed to Selenium Grid.